50% of Google searches now end in AI summaries. Here's how smart brands will dominate search in 2025 and beyond in 5 easy steps. Ranking number 1 on Google still matters, but it's no longer the finish line, because now AI engines like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Gemini are becoming the new search layer where discovery actually happens. If your content isn't optimized for AI-driven search, what we call AEO and GEO, your brand is invisible in half the digital world. So here's the truth. Google rankings drive traffic, but AI rankings shape recommendations, visibility, and buyer intent. So, how do businesses win in this new landscape? Step 1, be found. Search engines still matter, they just evolved. Make sure your site is fast, technically sound, and structured with schema and data markup. Build topic clusters, not just keyword lists. And remember, consistent on-page optimization and backlinks will still build your authority. SEO is your ticket to join the conversation, but it's just the start. Step 2, be chosen. AI overviews are now the front door of discovery. Optimize for voice, FAQs, and instant answers. Structure your content so large language models, like ChatGPT, can easily lift your responses. Short, clear snippets and schema-rich formatting are your new SEO weapons. Because if AI doesn't pick you first, you don't exist. Step 3, be cited. Generative engines reward what they can trust. Publish high authority, insight-led content. Share original data and frameworks that AI can reference. And write with prompts in mind, the same way people ask questions to LLMs. If the machines don't cite you, people won't find you. Step 4, be scaled. AI has completely changed content economics. Automate where you can, but don't lose your voice. Repurpose your ideas across video, text, and carousels, and use AI to plan, cluster, and scale strategically. The brands that do this will outpace competitors without burning out. Step 5, be dominant. Winning in 2025 and beyond means owning your entire ecosystem. Stack SEO, AEO, GEO, and AIO into one unified system. Layer your topics across search, AI, and social. And funnel everything back into your owned channels, your site, newsletter, and email list. Search isn't a single channel anymore, it's a full ecosystem. So here's the playbook. SEO builds your foundation. AEO earns AI visibility. GEO secures citations. AIO and SXO give you scale and dominance. Now the businesses adapting now will lead the next era of discovery. The ones that wait will disappear from it.